Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for August and it is the Toyl box. Got my address on the back there. If you're new to Toyl, which stands for Time of Your Life, and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's in their August box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Toyl is kindly sent to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. You will find all links related to this subscription, plus a discount code that they have given me to share with you, which will entitle you to receive £5 off your box, which is geek. You'll find that down there as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to telling you a little bit more about it. Toyl is a monthly beauty box aimed at women over the age of 35 years old. It is based in the UK and they currently only ship within the UK. The cost of the box is £35 and that includes free shipping. Toyl is run by a lovely lady called Karen, who is an award-winning beauty blogger and also an Amazon best-selling author. She wanted to create a beauty subscription for women full of products that not only work for their skin, but from a source that tells them why they should use it, what's behind the blend, and how to use them for game-changing results. As well as the subscription box, you will find podcasts, interviews with brands that are featured in the box, and also an online community on their website and social media sites as well. What I love about this subscription is that if you don't want a surprise, that is, you get to see what is in the following month's box towards the end of every month. And you've got the option then to either pause your subscription if you feel like the following month's box is not for you, or you can carry on with your subscription. You can cancel any month as long as you do so by the 19th of the month. And all the products inside the box has a minimum value of £100. So I think that's it as far as information goes. As I said, all links and everything will be listed down below. So let's get on to showing you what's inside the August box. Okay, so you'll find a leaflet and it details everything about the products inside the box, so I'll refer to this as we go along. So I'll just give you a sneak peek first. The name of this month's box is the Ultimate Fine Line Fix Box. This box is the ultimate problem solver for fine lines around the eyes, lips and neck. Fine lines are the beauty concern I receive most emails about, and this box is my ultimate selection of products to help. Enjoy, Karen. This box has a value of £155.70. So first up, something for the neck, and this is by Emma Hardy, and this is a lift and sculpt firming neck treatment. Deeply hydrates and smooths the skin, improves skin's density and firmness, helps to increase elasticity of the skin, and it has a unique roller application. And there's 40 mils here. Emma Hardy is a lovely brand. In Toyl, we've had a few products from this brand before. We had a face oil, I think was that last month or the month before, can't remember now, but yeah, a really gorgeous brand. That's what it looks like there. It's a roller, it says it's a roller. Oh yeah, look. Do I need to maybe turn it on? Oh yeah, okay, you need to twist it to turn it on to release the product, I mean. And then it should come out. There, I can see it now. You're not going to see anything. You're not going to see anything because it's a cream. Oh, that feels so nice. And I can imagine that feeling absolutely gorgeous. Oh, freezing cold going up and down my neck. Oh, the smell. Is that Emma Hardy smell? Is that Emma Hardy smell? It's just gorgeous. I love it. So, yeah. I really like that. The recommended retail price for this product is £65, and it says here, firm and tighten your neck with the award-winning Lift and Sculpt Firming Neck Treatment, a targeted collagen boost that leaves skin hydrated and plump. So it's an award-winning product. That is going straight into my little fridge. I've got a little skincare fridge that I share with my daughter. Yeah, so what's going on there? Next we've got a Instant Effects, I think that's how you say it. This is OX2 Pro Technology Deep Line Elixir. 10 minutes it says. I'll have a read now. We've got 5 mils there. Shake to activate. I don't know, look. Like a pen. Okay. Oh! Look. You see there? It's all foamy. Alright, okay, alright, before I do anything, I've got makeup on now, so I'm not going to put it on my skin. But I need to know more about it. I have never seen anything like this. An anti-pollution treatment that instantly plumps skin and dramatically reduces wrinkle depth and size. And it's worth £30. Apply directly to problem area with the brush application. Wait 5 minutes before applying makeup. Deep Line Elixir uses a combination of pure oxygen, patented OX2 Pro technology, together with birch sap to work naturally with your skin's metabolism. The natural antioxidants and anti-skin pollution properties enhance cellular energy, plump the skin and dramatically reduce wrinkle depth and size. Skin moisturization is improved by reducing transepidermal water loss, which supports the skin's ability to retain water and dramatically increases skin mechanics and elasticity in minutes. I'm going to try this on Instagram. I'll do a little video. The only thing on my hand is pores. There's no difference at all with the pores so far. But it'd be interesting to see what it does. I'm 45. I've never had fillers, no Botox, anything like that. In all honesty, it scares the heck out of me. Don't want it. I don't want it to go wrong and me look like completely not me. So I'm quite happy. At the moment, I am quite happy. 10 years from now, I may change my mind. Who knows? But I have got lines. I have got lines coming. I'm lucky I haven't got wrinkles yet, but I do have lines on my forehead here. And very fine ones here as well. Skin around my mouth is damaged due to years of having cystic acne, so I've got a lot of scarring, some pitting. It's very, very thin there, but if I can have a product that works to make me look more plumped and younger and fresher looking, then yeah, I'm all for it. I'll definitely give that a go, and I'll do a little 1-minute video, like a little review about it. Next, we've got a product by Garnier Paris, and this is a Hydra Aura Sleeping Mask Hydrating Glow. We've got 75 mils here. Now we have a few products from this brand in the Toyl box, and it is gorgeous. We've had facial sprays, we've had cleansers. Yeah, it's a really gorgeous brand. So it says apply in the evening, all over face and neck, avoid the eye area. A replenishing gel cream mask to transform dull, uneven and dehydrated skin to smooth, plump and glow while you sleep. And the recommended retail price is £48. Have I already shown you? I think I have, haven't I? So it's a leave-on mask. Okay. Oh, it's really nice and thick. Oh, that is so, so nice. Yeah, nice smell as well. Nice scent. Yeah. Okay, so it's a leave-on mask for your skin overnight. Then we got a product by Dr. Paw, and this is a little bit different, I think. Dr. Paw did its rounds in subscription boxes a couple of years ago, and we had the yellow Dr. Paw. God, I've had loads. I've had loads and loads and loads. It's a great product, but it was just a bit overload in subscription boxes. This is a softening and smoothing lip mask for day or night. Fragrance-free, vegan formula, and we've got 25 mils here. So it's a lip mask. Oh, that is super hard to come out. Oh. So I'd like to know what the difference is between this lip mask and the original multi-purpose balm, because it feels the same and it looks the same. This gel-like texture melts into your lips, fully absorbing for an intense lip mask treatment with the addition of natural peptides to both plump lips and smooth any fine lines. The recommended retail price is £8.95, and it's a brand new launch. So a brand new product to the Dr. Paw range. Then we have got some eye gels. This is by Skin Iceland, Solutions for Stressed Skin. It helps firm and depuff within minutes with hexapeptide technology, and there's one pair in there. Now, I've tried these before and they are gorgeous. They're really lovely, especially if you pop them in a fridge first and then you use them afterwards. The recommended retail price for the single-use gel pads is £3.75. It says cooling under eye gel patches to help firm, tone and depuff delicate under eye skin within 10 minutes, and it's an award-winning product as well. So those are all the products inside this month's Toyl box, but as always, there is a freebie, and we have got a product by Sanctuary Spa. This is Supercharged Hyaluronic Face and Neck Cream, and we've got 10 mils here. So a face and neck cream there. The 15ml equivalent is worth around £4.95. So yeah, so that's an added freebie in this month's box. So I'll just go through them all and do a bit of a recap. We've got an Emma Hardy Lift and Sculpt Firming Neck Treatment. We've got an Instant Effects Deep Line Elixir. We've got a Garnier Paris Overnight Face Mask. We've got a newly launched Dr. Paw Overnight Lip Mask. We've got Skin Iceland Firming Eye Gels. And lastly, an added freebie of Sanctuary Spa Neck and Face Cream. When I first saw Dr. Paw, I was like, oh, because as I just mentioned, we had Dr. Paw overload in different subscription boxes over the last couple of years. But the fact that it's a newly launched product and it's for your lips, I really like that. I do really like that. So it's a little bit different there. The Emma Hardy neck cream roller, that is stunning. I cannot wait to use that. And the fact that it has got the roller is like making me want to use it, if you know what I mean. The overnight mask feels amazing as well. Well, the little bit that I put on my hand. The line elixir, jury's out for that. I'm gonna have to try it out to see what that's like. I'm not sure what it'd be like on my skin, but I will do a little mini 1-minute review just to show you. It's supposed to work in 10 minutes. Hopefully we'll see some results that way. And yeah, the skin eye patches and the Sanctuary Spa cream as well. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, but as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Are you a Toyl subscriber? Have you received your box yet? What do you think of the products? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. So please comment down below, or if you have any feedback or if there's anything that you'd like to see in this subscription, please comment down below as well, as I'm sure Karen would be reading the comments and interested in hearing your thoughts about it. So yeah, so if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.